Hello, bonjour.
Welcome to Arabesque Riad here in the heart of Medina in Fes, Morocco. This Riad is a little more of a luxury Riad, having 18 rooms, a pool, full service bar, and all the other amenities you can imagine. The staff here can help you with airport transfers, and don't forget, breakfast is included. About this hotel is they have a shoe shining station. I just don't know how to use it. So fortunately, there's a couple guests who are allowing us to shoot in their room because the entire Riad, all 18 rooms are full. This particular room has 2 double beds up here and a large king-size bed here. So you can sleep maybe 4 people. Again, as this is a luxury Riad, there is a bathtub. It's not common whatsoever to have a bathtub in the Riad, and some of the rooms even have a bidet. One of the rooms where you can enjoy your breakfast in the morning or sit back and have a leisurely dinner. I hope you have the chance to come and visit Arabesque Riad here in the heart of the Medina, Fes.